Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Redmi 3S and 3S Prime has received MIUI version 10.1.1.0 update from Xiaomi. The update size is 289 MB and contains the new changelog. Now let's update the device and see what new features do we get in this update. After the update, I got around 1.5 GB of storage back. The Android security patch hasn't been changed. It still dates back to April 2017. As you can see, the device now gets a new notification bar from MIUI 10. The security app has also been updated with new design features. The multitasking is also new from MIUI 10 and feels smoother. It also contains the new volume indicator panel, which by default controls the media volume. Coming to the cameras, this is where I felt disappointed. Not only does it not include portrait mode, which was promised in MIUI 10, even the camera app has not been updated. The clock has been updated with new MIUI 10 design and contains ambient noise and smart alarms, which are a new feature from MIUI 10. Now let's take a look at the Geekbench score. The Redmi 3S with MIUI 10 scores a tad bit more than Redmi 3S on MIUI 9. So that's it for today. This was my initial impressions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content like this.